Okay, number 25. What is the value of the negative decimal number to be written as signed bit 2's complement form? Okay, conversion mo lang yan. Base 10 po yun. Negative 5 equals, then punta ka kay binary. Sagot? 111011. Okay, ang pipiliin natin, ano yung pinakamalapit dyan? The letter B. Tama? The letter B yung may pinakamalapit, 11011. Pero, ganyan po kasi pag negative value, pag negative yung value mo, anong ibig sabihin lang nun? Unlimited 1 yung kasunod po niya. Pag ganyan yung nakita nyo na napakarami, negative value po. Iyon. Okay, paki-screenshot engineers. Okay, next item tayo, engineers. Number 26. What is the equivalent for digital octal code? Take note, octal code 2. 2 gray code. Okay? So, nandiyan na, nilista ko na lahat. May pattern naman. Kung makikita nyo, may pattern na rin naman kung paano natin hanap yan. So, hanapin natin si octal code 2. Andito si octal code 2. Ang hinahanap is gray code. So, ito yung katapat niya. So, ano yung final answer natin? That will be 0011. Yan. So, yan yung ating sagot. Okay, paki-screenshot. Then, number 27 tayo. Determine the value of base x. Take note, base x yan. So, inahanap is si x. So, 211x. 211 base x is equal to 152 base 8. Okay, so ano yung gagawin natin? Hindi natin alam kung anong base si x, pero alam natin na si 152 base 8. So, ano yung first step natin? First step natin, convert mo muna si 152 base 8 into base 10. Okay, bakit natin kailangan i-convert? Okay, para malaman natin kung ilan ba. Para maging base n to x tayo. Okay, base n to base 10 yung gagamitin natin. So, mangyayari, 211x is equal to base 10. Okay? O, di, pwede na natin gamitin yung long method natin ng converting base n to base 10. Okay? So, decimal. So, calculate na lang, calculator na lang natin. Mode 4. Punta ka kay octal. 152. Convert mo into base 10. That will become 106. Okay, so, alam na natin ngayon na 211x is equal to 106 base 10. Okay, so pwede na natin hanapin ngayon si x using yung long method natin. Tama? 211 base x. So, convert natin sa base 10. Anong mangyayari? Kunin mo yung positions. This is position 0, position 1, at saka position 2. Okay, then proceed ka sa multiplication. That will become 1 times x raised to 0, 1 times x raised to 1, 1 times x raised to 2. 2 times x raised to 2, I should say. So, ilan ngayon yung equivalent? This is 1. This is x, and this is 2x squared. So, yan ngayon iso-substitute natin dito. Okay, so, third step, that will be 2x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 106. Okay, pwede ka nang ayusin mo lang, 2x squared plus x minus 105 is equal to 0. Pwede ka nang mode 5-3. 53 to 1 negative 105. So, x1 mo is 7. Ano yung x2? So, negative 7.5. So, ano yung pipiliin na ating sagot ngayon? That will be x is equal to 7. That will be now base 7. Letter A. Yan. So, any question, engineers? Paki-screenshot. Okay, next item tayo, engineers. Another topic tayo. We have the complements. So, unang type ng complements, we'll have the radix minus 1 complement. So, paano nga ba itong radix minus 1? So, may kailangan lang kayong tandaan pag radix minus 1 complement. Kunin mo yung base, then yung minus 1 mo. Kung ano yung makukuha mo doon, yun yung gagamitin natin para ma-solve yung complement ng hinahanap natin. Okay, let's try number 28. Decimal 5436 when converted to radix minus 1 complement will become. Okay, so ano yung binigay na base natin? We have decimal. So that our base now is equal to 10. Kunin mo yung radix minus 1 natin. And minus 1 now is equal to 9. So para makuha yung radix minus 1 complement ng 5436, ulitin mo lang yung nakuha mong radix minus 1 kung ilang beses rin na ulit yung digit natin. So mayroon kang 9 na radix minus 1. So 9, 9, 9, 9. I-minus mo ngayon si 5, 4, 3, 6. Okay, so kung ano yung makukuha nating sagot, that will be our radix minus 1 complement. 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, 5, and 4. So that will be the final answer for number 28. 4, 5, 6, 3. That is letter C. Ganun lang ulit kay number 29. Radix minus 1 complement of ABE base 16. Okay, so kunin natin ngayon si n minus 1 natin. Ilan ba yung n natin dyan? N is equal to base 16. Kunin mo si n minus 1 and that will be 15, I should say. That will become 15. So, sa hexadecimal natin, ilan yung equivalent ng 15 natin? Ano ba yun? Oops, nawala. Ayan. Hexadecimal ng 15 na decimal natin. 15 is equal to F. Tama? 15 is equal to F. So, yan yung gagamitin natin para mahanap yung radix minus 1 pag hexadecimal. So now, it will become F, 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 F minus BA, BE. Okay, saan ulit natin nakuha si F, 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 F? Andito po siya. 15 na decimal is equal to F. Okay, kaya doon natin nakuha yung F, 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 F. So gamitin natin yung calculator natin, mode 4. Punta ka kay hexa. F, 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 F minus BABE. That will become 4545. 4541. That will become your final answer. And that is letter B. Okay, so nakuha dapat natin kung paano i-solve si radix minus 1 na complement. Kunin mo lang yung n minus 1 ng base and subtract mo yung makukuha mo sa given na digits. Paki-screenshot, engineers. Okay, next item tayo. Number 30. What is the 7th complement of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8? So another type po tayo ng complements. We have the n's complement. So, this is another type of complement, that is n's complement. Okay, so paano naman ngayon yung n's complement? Sa n's complement, ulitin mo lang yung binigay na n natin. Gaya nung sa radix minus 1, kinuha mo muna yung n minus 1, pero dito sa n's complement, hindi mo na kailangan kunin sa n minus 1. Siya na mismo yung direct mong gagamitin. Okay, so gamitin natin. Number 30. What is the 7th complement? So ulitin mo lang si 7. 7, 7, 7. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so makukuha na natin ngayon yung final answer. That will be 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is 6, 5, 4, 3. So that will be your final answer. That is letter D. Okay, ganun lang ulit. Si 32 at 34. Jump muna tayo kay 31. Nagpasan muna natin si 31. Kay 32. What is the 9th complement of 5, 4, 600? So, n's complement ulit yan. Kunin lang natin. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, minus 5, 4, 600. Okay, that will be 9, 9, 3, 5, 4. So, that will be the 9n's complement of 5, 4, 600. That is letter A. Ganun rin kay 34. Another n's complement lang po yan. Yung ginamp natin yung number, mamaya sasagutan natin. Okay, find the 5's complement. So, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, minus 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. Okay, that will be 1, 0, 4, 3, 2. So that is the 5's complement of 3, 2, 1, 5, letter A. And so sana nasusundan ng engineers kasi madali lang po ang pagkuha ng complements ng isang given base. Nakadepende na lang sa type ng complements. So yan yung pangalawang type ng complements na madidiscuss natin. Paki-screenshots. Engineers. Okay, proceed tayo sa next number. Number 35. Find the 10's complement of 1, 2, 3, 900. So, another n's complement lang ulit yan. Pero, pag 10's complement, anong gagawin natin dyan? Hindi mo uulitin si 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? Pag yun ang ginawa mo, mali ka na dyan. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin pag 10's complement? Pag 10's complement, ang gagawin mo lang po, ulitin mo yung 0. Hindi mo iulitin si 1. So, si 0 yung uulitin mo. So, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Minus 1, 2, 3, 900. Yan. So, hindi si 10 ang ulitin mo, kundi yung 0 lang po yung uulitin mo. So, 0, 0. That will be 1. That will be 6, 7, and 8. So, that will be the 10's complement of 12, 1, 2, 3, 900. That is letter A. Okay? Number 36, 1's complement. So, si 1 ang uulitin natin. Siyempre. So, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, subtract mo na lang yan. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. So, alin yan sa choices? That is letter A. Okay, n's complement pa rin ito mga engineers. O, kaya madali pa. Okay, next. Number 37. Find the 2's complement. Itong 2's complement, Hindi 2 yung uulitin mo. Okay, ibang process naman ngayon. Pag 2's complement yung hahanapin natin. Okay, sa 2's complement, anong gagawin mo lang? Baliktarin mo lang yung binigay na digits. Paano babaliktarin? Ito, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Palitan mo lang lahat ng 1 ng 0 at lahat ng 0 ng 1. So, ang mangyayari pag 2's complement, this is for 2's complement, palitan mo lahat. So, yung 1 magiging 0, lahat ng 0 magiging 1. Okay, then, mag-plus 1 ka po. Mag-plus 1 ka sa dulo, yan na yung paghanap ng 2's complement. Ang final answer will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and that is letter C. So, that will be letter C. Yan. So, siya lang po, yun na iba, at saka kasi 10's complement. Sa 10's complement, ang uulitin mo is yung 0 lang. Sa 2's complement, baligtarin mo lahat ng value. Lahat ng 0 magiging 1 at lahat ng 1 magiging 0. Then, mag-plus 1 ka lang. Makukuha mo na si 2's complement. Okay? Paki-screenshot, engineers. Okay, balikan natin yung kanina. 31 and 33. So, true complement. So, ito yung last type ng complement na ituturo natin. We have the true complement. So, paano nga ba itong true complement na to? So, sa true complement, ang gagawin lang natin, kunin mo yung radix minus 1. Radix minus 1 natin, and saka ka mag-plus 1. Okay, hindi magkakancel yung 1 dyan. Okay, kasi ang kukunin mo is radix minus 1. Okay, so anong mangyayari? Try natin si number 31. 31, ano yung base mo? That will be 8. So, 10 minus 1 mo ngayon is equal to 7. So, kunin muna natin si radix minus 1. 77 minus 25. Tama? That will become 52. Okay? Pag nakuha mo yan, saka mo pa lang po i-plus 1. Okay? Saka pa lang mag-plus 1. Okay? Yan. Sa dyan ka pa lang mag-plus 1, kaya ang final answer dyan will be 53. Okay? So, that is letter C. Ganyan ang pagkuha naman ng truth complement. Yung plus 1, iuhuli mo po siya. Unahin mo munang kunin si radix minus 1. Yan. Okay, so try nyo nga, number 33. So, anong base kaya yung number 33? We have base 2. So, kunin mo si radix minus 1. That will be 7. Then, kunin mo yung radix minus 1 complement mo. 7 should be 1. Okay? Kunin mo yung radix minus 1 mo. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Ilan ang radix minus 1 natin? That will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then, saka mo i-plus 1, makukuha na natin yung final answer. Final answer will become 0, 0, 100. Or that is letter C. Yan. Ang 1 plus 1 ay hindi po 2. Kasi nagde-deal tayo ng binary. Okay, kung nalilito kayo dyan, pwede po kayong gumamit ng calculator. Punta kayo kay binary. Then, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Equals. Then, plus 1 ka, makukuha mo is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 100. Ayan, so yan yung tatlong klase ng ating complements. We have the ends, the radix minus 1, and the true complement. Okay? So yan po yung tatlong complements na i-discuss natin.